again, Parker. And last time, we had split the video in half and I didn't know. And these were the ones that we did that race last time. We're not going to give him another chance. This was the victor. And we have a lot of the same ones as, again, these are bigger than the other ones. For some reason, I noticed that these weird ones are actually bigger than, smaller. Yeah, sorry. It's kind of weird. Big boys can't race. They're not small enough. As you can see, it'll get stuck in the thing. This one, a little bit small, harder to get out. So if you have these ones, you can get them for your birthday. They're always fun. These are the ones that we're going to have this time. Last time, we had the special space one. And the other one was another space one, which was the prize of the thing again. We're using the same chart. Wait, we forgot the prize. But whatever. We don't need a prize on this one. Today, Today, it's gonna be time travel against Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. Why do you always like to thunder people in the face? Today we're gonna race 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, Thunderbolt going really fast. Where did the other one go? The new one. He's gone missing. Oh, the new one. It's racking it up. The new one totally just owned Thunder's face off. Woohoo! I already got it right here, whatever, so it doesn't matter. Victory! This is my mom's phone. She's right using the camera. Dad has a lot of footage. There. Okay. Firebomb, grass cutter. We have a lot of grass cutters, a lot of everything. Yeah. Whatever. Firebomb against grass cutter. 3, 2, 1, go. Fireball takes the lead. Let's see if grass cutter can revenge his other winner. Oh my gosh. This is hard. Which one's gonna win? I have no idea. Grass cutter takes the lead. Really far in the head. Wait. Can't be stuck there. Grass cutter, once again, victor. Get these from Christmas, which I got them from. Leave it right there, victory. Next, Angel against one of these black ones. Mini. They're super small, which would be a little advantage. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Angel's in the lead. Black weird thing. I don't know if it's going to win or not. It is smaller. That makes a difference. Angel hair is totally owning this weird one's face off. It was a close match. Just kidding. Not close at all. Give me this. Victor Angel hair. First time being a victor. Wow. Weird black thing is still right there. It's right here, I think. Whitewater against, I forget what these ones are called.
Can you hold them out in your hand?
These ones. Whitewater, I forget what this one's called. But, whatever. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, I'm gonna say that. Oh, like, that's not white water. Sorry, guys. That's not white water. That's blue water. It's crystal blue. Yeah, crystal blue. Sorry. I'm confused. Where are they? Stuck. Yeah. Blue water won! Actually, I was not expecting. Blue water won. Again won. It's the new prize won against Grass Cutter. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, go! Grass Cutter takes the lead. This is going to be a close one. They're both really fast. Blue one has an advantage from hitting people. At least, I think. Oh! Grass Cutter? Oh, we got stuck. Grass Cutter got stuck. Wow. Grass Cutter lost for the first time. Whoa, I need to fix this. For the first time ever, guys. Grass Cutter lost. Wow, that is impressive. Hey, it was an angel hair against blue water. No, wait, crystal blue. Yeah, crystal blue. 3, 2, 1, go! Crystal blue takes the lead against angel hair. Well, whatever it's called, angel. Oh my god. They look really, really cool in this game. Looks like a double. Go, buddy. Wait, I know what's going to happen. Other one's going to push it. Yeah. Angel hair is getting pushed all around the place, but still won from the pushing. Wow, that's a good advantage. Angel hair. Wait. Was it blue water or angel hair?
Angel hair won.
Yeah. Blue water, you did good. Didn't win though. The new one against angel hair. Whoa. 3, 2, 1, go! Who's gonna win? Who? Who's gonna win? Who? Who's gonna win? Who? I have no idea. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get this side cheat. Push. Brand new. It's catching up. But it lost. The new one lost against Angel Hair. Ah! Angel Hair is finally the new victor. All these guys go back, and back. Changing thing. Oh my gosh. I have a new idea. Let's do that. Yeah. That's a good idea. Ha ha!